Oh well. Kinda got stuck there for a while. Carburetor flooded with gas. Yeah. It's a good thing it's not wet or moist because we would definitely be stuck, man. I mean, I have to push the bike like about a good 50 meters up that hill, that slope. It's a good thing it wasn't that slippery. Otherwise, regardless, pushing it or riding it, we'll pretty much have a hard time doing it. Oh man, that was a workout. I think I better take care of that issue with the brakes and the rear brakes and the carburetor. Okay folks, we had some kind of mechanical difficulty with the Mad Ass, which I fixed last month, but it reoccurred again. It's a reoccurring problem with the, I guess it was a float for the carburetor was leaking, so gas was coming out the air filter, so kind of got stuck a while on that bottom of the hill at Pagat trail. Had to go like about a good 20 meters on that steep slope pushing the Mad Ass. So I had to drain some of the fuel from the carburetor. So I parked it, went home, got the Grom, the more reliable bike to take, I can say. Every weekend there's always something going on. I don't have much time for the day. I think only this morning is the only time I have my free time for this morning. But for now, let's go do some riding because tomorrow it's my day off, but unfortunately I was called in for jury duty. Go. I haven't been here in a long time, so it looks like it's supposed to be some kind of development going on here back in the years, but it just ends up becoming a dump site. As you can see here, people come in and dump their fucking garbage. It's a sad sight, man, sad sight. Wow. I'm very tempted to go down there with the bike. I know it can go down. It's just a bit rocky. I want to check it out with the mountain bike first. Woo! Here's the cave, folks. There we go. Now we're water cave here. Kind of goes under. So that's just a little glimpse of that Marbo Cave. Yeah, I remember now. It's just a little overgrown right now. Yeah, we're here just to kind of look around. Like I said, we don't have much time. I guess somebody's here hiking. Now that we got the dual sport tires, we're cool. Woo, it's awesome view here, man. A bit windy today. But like you see, we're very close to the ocean. You can smell that ocean breeze. I guess this is how far it goes. Guess we have to go on foot from here. Looks like you got slightly rough seas right now. This is where you come in early in the morning. It's good to come early in the morning. You get a first class seat of the sunrise. Wow, look at that. Woo! Nice. crazy. That's what I'm talking about, folks. That's why I took out the underbelly fairing, because of that. Morning. Hey. That I gotta go somewhere later after and go help with some decorations for this little baby shower we're doing for a friend of mine.
Sony action cam. Action cam? Yeah.
Is that new?
Yeah, that's like one of a lot of models of
it. Done right now with the baby shower. Oh, what a day, man. I've been sweating all day. The humid, it's just so, it's so hot, but I'm not complaining because it's dry season, folks. But you know what that means, right? Off-roading time. But I'm done for the day. I'm so tired. I can't even think straight right now. Woo! Helped out with the decorations, helped out with the party, helped out with the cleaning. And I'm off going home to take a rest. So you guys take it easy. You guys have fun. Be safe out there. One man at Grom is out. I'm tapping out, man. I am super tired right now. Woo! Take it easy, guys. I'll see you in the next video.